The history of humanity is a love story.
On July 23rd, 1967, Detroit was hit by a riot.
Its pages are lined with ink that spilled from our souls as blood spills from bodies, where we, its heroine, have met its every challenge with a dauntless propensity towards survival. It's a story which tells itself by its own instinct. Though its chapters tell of pain without cease and struggle without reparation, within its subtext lies the love that drives its reader to action. A love with no likeness and loss without justice. See, we are the heartbroken souls of generations lost, betrayed by hands meant to guard us, our bodies lost in the void, and our breath siphoned to the wind. Here we have stood, arms locked, as the seeds once forgotten, once planted in revolution, see lie idle, we will not, as the sun has never stopped shining. The storms of our oppressors, though tough they have been, will still water these flowers, and as these pages will turn, these roots will grow, and from them will sprout a climax written by your favorite author. See, our book isn't finished, it's just been a long-ass exposition, but when I tell you that this is the best part, it's just a few more pages. It's about to get good. I promise.